Good Tuesday afternoon, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather here on this Tuesday afternoon, December the 3rd. Taking a look at the forecast for this upcoming time frame. Another look at your evening weather blog here. First, starting off with what temperatures are currently looking like as of 4:20 p.m. Currently across the area, temperatures are still in the upper to mid 40s across portions of the coverage area. Few lower 50s down here in Texarkana, Magnolia, and the Camden areas. That trend will continue throughout the day and will continue to cool down today or tonight. Some as well into the upper 20s and lower 30s across the area today. Now, once again, we do have our next big weather maker, and that is coming tomorrow, as we've been talking about yesterday as well with that. And once again, we're continuing to watch for an increase in some low-level moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico and some increased upper forcing, and with that, that'll help bring us some periods of some isolated showers and potentially some thunderstorms as we go throughout the day tomorrow and potentially there Friday night into Saturday and this weekend. We'll talk more about that here in just a minute, but once again, continuing to watch for that chance of some moisture and some rainfall tomorrow. Now, real quickly, let's pull that up and show you what Futurecast could potentially look like as we go throughout the rest of this afternoon and into the day tomorrow and through the next 48 hours, that is, and into this upcoming time frame. Once again, this is model guidance, and it isn't always going to be completely accurate, but it gives us the general idea on what we could potentially see. Now, as we go into the overnight hours, you can kind of see some of that increased moisture occurring to our south, and then really it picks up throughout the early morning hours and into the day tomorrow. Some isolated scattered showers will be possible, maybe a thunderstorm, but most of that rain stays south of our area on your day there on Wednesday, and then we move out of that time frame, really stay dry throughout Thursday. As you can see here, not expecting a whole lot on Thursday. That's where this model ends. But if we go a little further into the future here, we'll see as we look forward into Thursday, some more rain chances could return as we head into that Saturday time frame, maybe late Saturday there, and then late Friday into the Saturday time frame, and then that's when that model comes to an end. And we'll go just a little further out. Give me one moment here. And let me pull that up. Once again, I think this is going to repeat Saturday or Friday probably is what it'll, or actually I think this is Friday. And as you can see, once again, some moisture coming into the area there, potentially in the afternoon time frame Friday and into your day on Saturday. Now, most of this will occur really as we go into that Friday or into that Saturday time frame. Temperatures should remain above freezing when the precipitation is falling, and then those chances of rain continue potentially into more widespread there on Sunday, and those will quickly move out there to start off next week. We are watching that 9th to 10th time frame closely. We'll have more on that as we get a little closer to that. There's some questions about the pattern. Could that lead to some interesting to a more active period? We'll have to see. That forecast for that Monday and Tuesday time frame of next week is really tricky. And real quickly now, taking a look at your area-wide 6-day forecast from December the 4th through December the 10th. Wednesday, once again, some rain chances, 40% chance some rain showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two across far southern Arkansas, with highs around 50 degrees, overnight lows in the upper 30s there as well. Then on Thursday and Friday, mostly sunny skies. Highs will range from the lower 50s to the upper 40s, overnight lows in the 20s. Really cold night probably on Thursday, and then into the day on Friday, overnight lows will be in the nearing the freezing mark, but there is a 10% chance that isolated shower or two. But really, those rain chances will be before those temperatures drop to freezing if they do get there. Then Saturday, mostly cloudy skies on Saturday. Right now, 20% chance of rain, but that could increase depending on what we've seen. Remember, I showed you one model. There's a whole lot more that goes into forecasting. That's just a general idea. Here's the actual forecast there with Saturday. Forecasted highs going to be in the mid-50s across the area. Overnight lows in the mid-40s. Mostly cloudy skies there. A few peaks of sun could be possible with a 20% chance of rain. On Sunday, a few showers will be possible, as we just seen. 60% chance of rain. Temperatures around 60 degrees for highs. Overnight lows in the 50s. Not going to cool down a whole lot. Mostly cloudy skies. Some rain showers will be likely there, with a few isolated thunderstorms being possible there as well. Then on Monday, partly cloudy skies. Temperatures may be reaching around 70 degrees there, and overnight lows in the lower 40s, and a 10% chance of maybe a leftover shower or two. Once again, we're going to be watching that Monday to Tuesday time frame closely there as we go into that time frame, and I think I got the dates wrong on that. That should say to the 9th. Now, throughout this whole time frame, there could be a decent amount of rainfall that falls for some of us here across our area. This is forecasted rainfall into early next week. This starts from Wednesday tomorrow into next Tuesday. And as you can see, really south of the I-30 corridor, you can see around into the southeastern portions of our coverage area, anywhere between 3 to 4 inches of rain could be a possibility as we go throughout next week. Now, this isn't all going to fall at once, but this is kind of more of a widespread throughout the week type, or throughout the few days that we've been mentioning here, Wednesday to next Tuesday. And then as you go around that I-30 corridor area, 2 to 3 inches of rain will be possible. And as you go further north, it starts to taper off more to around the Mena area, which could be up to a half an inch to 1.5 inches of rain throughout this next week here. So once again, a very active period for some just isolated scattered showers and rain chances, some colder conditions as well there, and some rain chances. We'll continue to keep you updated with the newest. Make sure to check us out over on Facebook. And as always, we want to say a big thanks to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy, and Tan Energy and Nutrition for all they do to help us get this information to you guys. Make sure to check them out over on Facebook as well. And as always, have a good rest of your Tuesday, and thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.